Excuse me, sir. Would you mind letting me have a look at the contents of your bag, please?
Me? Biological samples. I have the papers right here.
I'm gonna have to ask you to open this up, sir.
Open it? Well, yes, of course. You see? Biological. Check the papers. It's all proper. Here's a permit.
It's empty.
Well, yes, to be sure. It looks empty. But I assure you it's not. It doesn't even have an odor.
That's not necessary, sir. There you go. Thank you for your cooperation. Have a good flight.
It's obscene. All the violence, all the lunacy. You might say that we're the next endangered species. Human beings.
I think you're right, man. I think you hit the nail on the head.